Hi dear students, this is Ms. T.M. Rahini from Sir Isaac Newton CBSE and Metric School, Papakwil, Nagapattinam. Today I am going to teach you English Class 9 Chapter 1 First Section Prose. The topic is Goal Setting. Goal Setting is written by Krish Shrikant. Who is Krish Shrikant, dear students? Yes, he is a great sportsman. He is one of the famous sportsmen. Shall we move to the lesson? Chris Shrikant, an experienced sportsperson, is happy to share with you his winning formula in the process of goal setting. Chris Shrikant, a sportsperson, is sharing his winning formula and goal setting with us. It's a very interesting one. Shall we read together? The first one is very often in life you find yourself at a crossroad. You have many doubts in your life. The most common example is taken is that of Alice in Wonderland. Alice's Wonderland is one of the fable, a children's classic written by Lewis Carroll. Alice comes to a crossroad during her travel and she finds a cat sitting there. She asks the cat, "Which road do I take?" You know what the response is. The cat says, "Where do you want to go?" When you make a career choice, you want to take up engineering, you want to take into medicine, or you want to take up a job. You must know what you want to do. Here, a girl, Alice, had doubt, so she asked to take a decision to take a cat. The cat replies that you take what you wish. So he is insisting us to choose your goal by yours. Don't dance for others' music. If you want to join in doctor or engineer, you just decide what you want to become. And the second paragraph, and you have a question here, have you found yourself at a crossroad? Do you have any experience like this where you want to take whether you want to study in a college or you want to study in a polytechnic, like you have lot of questions in your mind, so you just take care of yourself. And the second paragraph is, I am a very firm believer in one thing. Firm believer is a strong believer. You will ultimately become what your innermost and deep rooted desire is. Of course, desire can change from person to person and time to time, but your deep rooted desire is what motivates you. Actually, our desire changes from one person. Each and everyone have different kind of perception and different kind of desire, but you have to stand from your desire. It will motivate you. To that we have five steps. There are five steps to the goal setting process. The first step is the most important one. Put your goals on paper. Just write your goals in a paper. Then the second one is analyze what the benefits are. What are the benefits of your goal? And identify obstacles and challenges. What are the obstacles and challenges you are going to face? You just write it also. And help required from whoever and whatever you need help, the needed things. Okay, the next one is put down milestones with dates. Fix a date. Till this you have to complete your task. Likewise, you just concentrate on a particular date. Okay, the next one is, which is the most important step in the goal setting process according to you? What is the important goal setting? And the third paragraph is, he is telling his own experience. During my third or fourth year of engineering, suddenly I had this desire to play cricket. First play for Tamil Nadu, then play cricket for India. Again, it was in my subconscious mind that I wanted to play for India. He had a part to play cricket for India team. He had a desire, suddenly he had a desire to play for India. We will continue this. In the fourth paragraph, believe it or not, I played for India. Yes, his wish came true. As his desire, he played cricket. This was the deep rooted desire. As you all know, we won the 1983 World Cup. Yes, they won 1983 World Cup. But after 1983 World Cup, unfortunately, my form deteriorated it become worse. His performance was become worse after 1983. Sometime later, a stage came wherein within about 6 to 7 months of 1983 World Cup, my form was so bad. Again, after 1983, his performance was too bad. Then they really even thought of dropping me from the Tamil Nadu Ranji Trophy team. Actually, this team decided to drop him out, and this was the stage I was in. This was it, but then something kept on telling me, don't worry, Chika, you will make it. You will make a comeback in Indian team. You will be a successful cricketer. His mind voice telling him that, don't worry, you will become a successful cricketer. That was this a little voice, an inner voice that kept on telling again and again. He motivated himself. Shall we move to the next one? Actually, he motivated himself. So likewise, we don't expect others to motivate us. We have to motivate ourselves. Okay, then Indian cricket team is the only one to have won World Cups of 60 overs, 50 overs and 20 overs. It was one of the great achievement from Indian team. And the fifth paragraph is, that time it was a Ranji Trophy match in Coimbatore, and I still remember the events very clearly. In this paragraph, he says about he was described another match at Coimbatore. Today's a famous commander, one of the famous commentator in cricket was L. Shivaramakrishnan, and few others were all sitting in a room and chatting. They all sitting and chatting with each other. We were all having some fun. Then suddenly I told them. Suddenly this man telling them, guys, take it from me. In 5 years' time, I'll captain of India. This was way early in 1984. They thought I got mad. Actually, he told to drop out him from captain position. Many were excited, and many were looking at him. He is just joking, but here is a guy struggling to find a place in Tamil Nadu team. He says that in 5 years time he will captain of India, and with people like Sunil Gavaskar, Kapil Dev, Mohinder, Amarnath, all established cricket there. And this guy says all the established a well playing cricket players are there, but he is telling that he is going to captain India. But I said, boss, you wait and watch. In 5 years time I'll captain of India. How confident he was. What made Shrikant keep him? Wait, dear students, I'll show the paragraph. What made Srikant keep trying to realize his dream, and how courageous and confidence he had, and he is telling that I'll win the match, and I will I will fulfill my desire, and I'll continue this lesson by the next week, dear children. Hope you all study, hope you all understood. Read this lesson. Thank you.